Ever wondered if Illustrator is truly essential when you're already wielding the power of Photoshop? Let's dive into the age-old question, should you have Adobe Illustrator after Photoshop? They're both design titans, but their strengths lie in different arenas. Photoshop is your go-to for pixel-based editing and image manipulation. Think photo retouching, compositing, and creating raster graphics, meaning they're made of tiny squares called pixels. Zoom in enough, and those pixels become visible, potentially leading to blurriness if scaled up. This pixel-based nature makes it ideal for photographs, complex textures, and effects where subtle pixel adjustments are key. However, because of the pixelation, Photoshop is not as scalable for different sizes. Now, enter Illustrator, the vector graphics champ. Logos, illustrations, and designs that need to be sharp at any size are its domain. Vector graphics are based on mathematical equations. This means they're infinitely scalable. Imagine creating a logo that looks perfect whether it's on a business card or a billboard. That's the power of vectors. This, along with the creative flexibility and tools in Illustrator, is where other designers decide to use Illustrator. So, what are the pros and cons? Photoshop excels at image manipulation and raster-based editing. Illustrator handles vector graphics, offering scalability and precision if your work often requires branding, logos, or illustrations that need to be modified, and Illustrator is a must. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your design needs. Both can live harmoniously in your design workflow. Consider the type of work you do, your desired aesthetic, and your scalability demands. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.